Happy New Year, everybody. I just wanted to share a little bit about the New Year, New You workshop that's coming up on January 15th. I was inspired to share this workshop because if you're anything like me, setting New Year's intentions or what we call resolutions, resolving that you're going to do something or not do something anymore, lasts about maybe 14 weeks, maybe a couple of months, and then what happens? I don't know, something happens, right? And so for some of us, we're able to get some real traction and real momentum and really stay disciplined with the things that we say we're going to do or not do any longer. But for so many of us, we don't do that. And in the last couple of years, I've had a lot of time to reflect and revisit some of my tools and trainings and teachers, and really look into also some good basic practical life business strategy and how to implement those steps and strategies into daily life, including getting on board with a really good spiritual practice that keeps you in proper maintenance with yourself. So this workshop is going to be based on what you're wanting to achieve, what you're wanting to let go of, whatever your New Year's resolution or intention or plan is for the year. And then to kind of unpack that as much as we can by looking at what hasn't worked in the past, what your gremlins were in your head, how to properly address that through spiritual practice and through strategy. Setting proper goals, taking proper actions, including utilizing these energy tools and spiritual practices. So I'm really looking forward to sitting with the group and sharing everything I've ascertained through my studies and trainings to get me moving forward with the momentum I've had with my spiritual growth, with my practices, as well as with my work, with my business. And then in general, just as a human being, as a mom, on the planet, just as a woman here doing life. So we'll be looking at these things strategically and spiritually, and really looking at each individual person's as much as we can with the time allowed. And then we'll do a wonderful burning ceremony at the end of it to let go of what no longer serves and call in the courage and the willingness to do whatever it takes to bring about the transformation and the realization of your dreams and goals for 2018. Look forward to seeing you. Have a great rest of your day or night, and please head over to the website to sign up for the course if you're interested for the workshop on January 15th from 6 to 8 p.m. Peace.